What is that, Goosey Roo? You might need a little stool.
If she didn't have that book in her hand, she'd be able to do it.
Well, I want to sit down and read with my new chair. See, this is where I'm afraid she's going to push it back.
Yeah, we'll have to put it up against something. Here,
Or-
put your book here, and now climb in.
Ooh, look at that, Goose.
That's
Goose,
your
what
chair.
is that? That's a goose chair. Yeah. Do you like it? Yeah? Is that your book chair? So you can read your books? Yeah.
Let me just settle in here. You're going to go under there, right on your head.